Hi guys, this is Girish Mohammed, currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. And today's subject is Biology for Engineering, and the topic is for today Functions of Nucleic Acids. Introduction to nucleic acid. Nucleic acids are the essential biomolecule found in all living organisms. They are made up of nucleotides which consist of a sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. Nucleic acid play a crucial role in storing, transmitting, and expressing a genetic information. DNA. DNA is for deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is a genetic material that carries at the instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all living organisms. It is a double stranded molecule that form the famous double helix structure. DNA replication ensures the accurate transmission of a genetic information during cell division. The structure of DNA we can see in the image. RNA, ribonucleic acid. RNA plays a vital role in translating the genetic information stored in DNA into protein. There are several types of DNA, including messenger RNA, transverse RNA to tRNA, and ribosome RNA. RNA is a single stranded molecule that can fold into complex three-dimensional structures, as we see in the diagram. Genetic information storage. Nucleic acids store genetic information in the sequence of their nitrogenous bases. In DNA, adenine pairs with the thymine and guanine pairs with the cytosine. RNA uses uralic instead of thymine and is involved protein synthesis. Protein synthesis. RNA molecules play a crucial role in protein synthesis through a process called translations. During the translations of mRNA carries the genetic information from DNA in ribosomes. tRNA molecule bring the amino acids to the ribosomes to assemble the protein. Gene expression regulation. Nucleic acid help regulate gene expression by controlling when and how genes are turned on or off. Various mechanisms such as epigenetic modification and non-coding RNAs plays a role of gene regulation. Or a gene expression can lead to a disease like cancer and genetic disorders. Enzymes functions. Some nucleic acids known as a ribosome some have some enzymic activity and can catalyze the chemical reactions. Ribosomes are involved in a process like RNA spelling and peptide bond formatting during the protein synthesis. This catalyst of RNA molecules demonstrate the veracity of the nucleic acid in biological process. Immune response. Nucleic acid can trigger an immune response when recognized as a foreign by immune system. Viral nucleic acid, for example, can activate the immune cells and mount defense against the viral infections. The immune system has a mechanism of distinguishing between self and non-self nucleic acid to prevent the autoimmune reactions. Genetic engineering. Nucleic acid are essential for genetic engineering techniques like gene cloning and recombination of DNA technology. Scientists can manipulate DNA sequence to introducing desired traits into organs or study gene functions. These techniques have revolutionized field like medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology. Evolution history. The study of nucleic acid has provided insights into the evolutionary history of organisms. By comparing DNA sequences, scientists can determine and recognize the different species and traces in their evolutionary relationship. Nucleic acids serve as a molecular clock and estimate the divergence time between the species. Inherited diseases. Mutation in nucleic acid can lead to inherited genetic diseases like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia. These mutations alter the structure or a function of a proteins, leading to abnormal biological process. Understanding the genetic basic inheritance disease is crucial for developing targeted treatment in genetic counseling. Environmental applications. Nucleic acids are used in environmental applications like DNA barcoding or to identify the species. Environmental DNA analysis can detect the presence of the water, soil, and based on the genetic medicines materials. These technicals are valuable and biodiversity monitology, convincing efforts, and forensic investigations. Nucleic acid vaccines. Nucleic acid vaccines such as RNA vaccines have emerged in the promising tool immunization against the infection disease. These vaccines are the genetic material encoding viral and the stimulate the immune response. mRNA vaccines have shown in efficiency preventing disease like COVID-19 and hold protein for the rapid vaccine department. Nucleic acid therapy. Nucleic acid based on including ancestry and the RNA interference drugs offer new treatment or obtains the genetic disorders and other disease. This can target the specific genes of a product, modulate the gene's experiences or inhibit disease causing proteins. Nucleic acid are the represent for growing the areas of research and personalizations of medicines and the precious healthcare. Nucleic acid in forensic. Nucleic acid are crucial forensic investigations and identifying the individual through DNA profiling. DNA fingerprint are technical analysis, unique genetic makers, and establish the identifier of relationship between individual. DNA evidence is the widely used criminal investigations and testing the machine person of the cases. Nucleic acid in agriculture plays a role of biotechnology, including genetic and modified crops, and the engineered exhibits the present resistance, herdic, and nutrient constraints. Have a protein address global security challenge enhances that. Nucleic acid in drug discovery used in development of target specific genes and pathway involved in diseases. And nucleic acid is a precious and a wide range of disease, including genetic disorders and the cancers. Nucleic acid in neuroscience and are the research of partially studying brain development function disorders of RNA molecules and regulate the gene expressions of the brain uh, contributes some contributes the neuroplasticity and understanding the role of nucleic acids the brain function essential for advancement treatments. Ethical considerations. The use of nucleic acid in various applications raises the ethical consideration related to genetic privacy. This is around the editing technologies like highlights ethical and inheritance in Germany. So let's see the conclusion. We have seen many nucleic acids and their types, how and which fields they have been used in which type. The conclusion is nucleic acid are the fundamental molecules with the diverse functions in storing genetic information, protein synthesis, and regulatory and their applications span field medicines, agriculture, biotechnology, and forensic, shaping advancement of the science and the technology. Understanding the roles of implementation, nucleic acid is a crucial role, plays the important role in the present society. I hope that you guys like this video. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.